Hello everybody, this is Yixin Chen. It's my infographic. Infographic is information aid graphic. It's an easy and effective way to tell the general audience about the detailed data and academic information. My infographic is about natural population growth in the United States. I choose the green color for the title and the conclusion because green color is a comfortable color for audience and also for me. And I choose the white color for the chart and the data because white color can make audience see the number and the word clearly, and they can catch the important information from the chart. My infographic thesis is the natural population growth rate of the United States is positive. My first chart is US population in recent years. You can see the US population changed not too much, but it's in an increased rate. It's increased in recent years. So the US population is increased. And my chart 2 is about death rates and birth rates between 2014 and 2018. You can see in these 5 years, the birth rate is 70% higher than the death rates. So the natural population increase rate is 70% higher in these 5 years. And my chart 3 is percentage of women aged 15 to 44 who expect to have children in the future. And we can see from the table, the young children from 15 to 24 have expect to have more than one children than the older women who aged from 25 to 44. So there will be more children births in the future. So I can get the conclusion from 2014 to 2018, the natural population growth rate of the United States is positive. And at the end, it's my source website. So that's all. Thank you for listening.